Hi, this is Jeff Spencer, Math 120 instructor for Community College of Denver, and this is our intro video over the course. So if you're here, you've clicked on the link right here, and this is just a video to let you know how to navigate this course, some things that you'll want to find and see. So the first thing that, well, really every week I'll have a new post in the news section, and each week we'll have a to-do list. And that will be the main thing in each week's post. You'll want to follow the to-do list, and if you make sure that you do that and you complete everything in the to-do list, you'll be in good shape to completing this course. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is complete the syllabus quiz. You can find the link to the syllabus right here, or you can get it through content. There'll be things on the syllabus quiz that are from the syllabus and from this video, so make sure you watch the rest of this video. Then the next thing you're going to want to do is introduce yourself in the discussion forum. You can click here, discussions, and go into introducing yourself. Next thing you're going to want to do is watch the videos and read the sections 1.1 through 1.3 and 2.1 through 2.3. You'll see each section per week, what we're supposed to do for homework. So my videos, if you should watch videos and take notes so before you do the homework. So to watch the videos, you go to content, section videos, and then you watch each one individually and take notes. And they're all really just YouTube videos, so you can watch them in here, or I think you can find a way to watch it in a new window, but the lecture videos are right there, and they're all just YouTube videos that I've made.
Hi, this is Jeff Spencer.
So you'll see that there. So you'll want to take notes on each video, and then you'll complete homework over section 1.1 through 1.3, 2.1 through 2.3 by the end of the week. So we're going to have assignments due always at the end of the week, Sunday at midnight. Whether it be discussions or syllabus quiz or homework, they're always going to be due at Sunday at midnight. The only thing that's not due Sunday at midnight, you'll see in bold, is the exams. And then so let me explain how to get to the homework. All right, so to sign up for the homework, and here's the information on the textbook if you're going to get the textbook, but I recommend, since you're on an online class, most people just sign up online. So click this link, and it'll take you to the My Math Lab site. All right, and what you want to do is register as a student. So that's the first thing you want to do. Click OK, you're ready to go. Then from there, you enter the course code, which I've linked right here. I can just copy and paste that. And you'll see our course here. Okay. After this, they're going to eventually get to the payment information. So if you haven't created a Pearson account, then you'll want to create one here. I'm just going to use mine real quick to show you the payment information that you're going to see. Hold on, I got a problem here. So once you either log in, if you already have a Pearson account, or you create an account, then you'll have these three payment options. So I wanted to cover this. So this access code option would be if you bought the book at the bookstore and you want to have a tangible book, and the access code comes along with it. Okay, the access code it should come along with the textbook new, or you can try and find just an access code online, like through eBay or something. But this is generally the most expensive option if you buy the book new. You could use a credit card and pay online, or if you need time to pay for this book, you can click the temporary access without payment for 14 days. So that's a third option. And everybody will be able to use this option if they need to, or pay online. I recommend this one, actually, using the credit card and just accessing the book and the homework online. Now remember, this is all to do homework. And let me show you what that is going to look like in order to do homework. So in order to do homework, once you've created your account and logged into the course, you sign in. Type in your username and password, and then you'll click on our course, which will be Math 120 751. I have a bunch of courses because I teach a bunch of different classes, so just find that one. And then you just click the homework button right here. Click the section that you need to do. So the first one will be 1.1. Click on there, and you're off doing your homework. Now, once you're in doing your homework, maybe not on the first couple problems, but um, a few of the later problems will have question help. So this one just says textbook, ask my instructor. But as you get into some later problems, they might have videos or help me solve this, kind of things like that. Let me get to a problem where you're going to see that. Those other, oh, so here's a video. But let's say we're going to be in, like, I don't know, a different section, a little bit more involved problem. Like, I don't know, I'll jump up down to this one. So let's say we're here and you get stuck on a problem. There's going to be a lot of options. Help me solve this, view an example, video that goes straight to that section, textbook. So they're all really good. This video is different from my video, but it can sometimes help. So that's how you access the homework. So remember, the first thing you need to do is complete the syllabus quiz, which you can access here. You want to watch this, or so you want to look at the syllabus, watch the rest of this video, do the syllabus quiz. Once you're done, you submit that in the Dropbox. Right here. Come on, Dropbox, load up. All right, and then you drop it in there. After that, introduce yourself in the discussion forum. Watch the videos over my sections and take notes. Remember, the videos that I made are very direct to the problems that you're going to need to answer in each section. So each section has a video that I've made. These are my videos, so you'll want to take notes on those. Then you can jump in and do the homework. Then the last thing that you're going to see, and each week we will have this, we'll have a week, whatever we're on, discussion. So the first one is obviously week 1. And when you go there, after you've introduced yourself, you'll see a week 1 discussion, and I already have week 2 and week 3 up in case you want to get a little bit ahead. But each time you do a discussion, it's a review. It's a set of review problems that I have chosen and written that are very important to help you get ready for the exam. So you want to do your homework first, and then look at these particular problems and post these problems. So if you click on it, it'll give you the set of problems. Now this is a bunch of problems that are a review of 2 chapters, so I know it'll seem like a lot of problems, but this is very good review for the test. Okay, so the way to do this is that each time you do these problems, you can print this sheet out, and then you can basically take a picture of your work, or if you want to type out your work, you can do that too, and then you post it here. If you do your post by Sunday at midnight, then you post an attempt at each problem, then you can get full credit. After that, on Monday, the next week, I will post a video that shows how I, basically doing each problem and showing how to get the correct answer, so you can learn from that too. These problems are definitely the most important assignments and problems that we do throughout this course. I'll say it again, the discussions each week are the most important problems and the most important assignment that you do each week, because they're review for the test. You get feedback directly from me. I will write feedback on each one of your posts to let you know how you're doing, which should let you know which ones you're doing wrong, and then you can watch the video at the beginning of next week to see how you're doing. That's why I put the exam due dates on Wednesday, so that you have a couple days to schedule it after you look at the video on Monday. As far as testing is concerned, you need to schedule each test at the CCD's testing center. You can follow this link to do that. Each test needs to be in a proctored environment, so you cannot take tests online. That's the key thing. So you need to be taking tests in the testing center. I have test 1 in there right now, so you can start scheduling that ahead. I'll have exam 2 in about this week when we finish exam 1, and I'll put that exam in so you can schedule that then too. So that's basically it. Make sure that you follow the to-do list, complete the syllabus quiz, and then start getting into the homework, and then at the end do the discussion post. And that's basically how we're going to look, how each week is pretty much going to look, except for exam week. Other than that, good luck. Let me know if you have questions, and if you do, don't feel free to just post them in this discussion feed, questions for the instructor, so other students can see your questions. Thanks and good luck.